Hey YouTube, this is RC Rally Monsters here, and we're not doing RCs this time. We're doing Dirtbike. Hope you enjoy it. And I'm right here because gonna get in like burning out, like sliding, drifting pretty much. It's gonna be pretty beast actually. Here he comes. Get over here once, I guess. Wait for him to come back. Going back there. This is just a regular creek. It was full of trees and everything. He's a big dirt biker, so we turned it into a trail. Really? Really? Okay. Hope you saw that wheelie he did. I had to move a little there. Have to admit, I was actually pretty. I'm scared he's just gonna come around and hit me in the stomach. Coming around here. Get you some footage of the rain. If it comes this way. Yep. Little wheelie. There he is back there. Coming back, of course. He loves that man. It's just a log. Put some dirt on it. There you go. Guess that's it for this video. See ya.